This video is for demonstration purposes only and is for reference only. Formula management settings. Edit and store filling parameters in the form of formulas. To create a new formula at first startup, click Setting, Method, and then New in sequence for settings. Finally, click OK to successfully create it. Note, for a newly created formula, select its name, click Apply, and then click OK to switch to it. It supports formula import. Insert a USB drive with formulas and click Import, formula name, and import in sequence to complete. It also supports formula export. Select a formula and click Export to finish.